Yeah, g'day there viewers, Mr. Shawnee Thompson, not bad thanks. So I'm here with Big Kev today. I'm going to teach you something real quick. So for the past little while, Big Kev has been a little bit hard to start on the key, right? You turn him on and you turn him over and he's just, doesn't start. I'm thinking, oh God, a starter motor again. I've already done a starter motor. That was not fun. 4 hours in, 4 hours out. Did not like it. Anyway, so upon research, I bought a new ignition key and barrel. And pulled it apart and went to put the ignition barrel in, and I found this cheeky little sucker. Now, this is your ignition switch. It lives just in under, where are we? Just in there. Key goes in there, turns that, excites everything, bang, happy days. The Toyota part number, people, is, that's probably backwards, 84450-71010. So, if you're a big Kev or big thong slapping V8 Land Cruiser baby, is being a bit dicky to start, don't just jump in and say starter motor baby. $154, this little sucker from Toyota. Probably, a bit more if you're any other Toyota dealership or whatever. Anyway, 154 bucks, try that first. I actually pulled mine apart, cleaned it out. It lasted another couple of weeks and then, it slowly died, but got little connections and shit in there and they got all gummed up with grease and dirt and crap from poking along around the scrub, doing mad stuff. Anyway guys, just have a quick look at that. So, another Shawnee tip, done and dusted.